Exciting news for Samsung enthusiasts. Rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra are creating quite a stir. Will it really boast a 200-megapixel camera, a large-inch display, and a Snapdragon 9 Plus Gen 1 chipset? In this video, we will give all possible details about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Don't miss out. Watch the full video and find out what surprise Samsung is coming up with. Since introducing the Galaxy AI alongside the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung has seen a significant increase in smartphone sales. The Galaxy S series stands as Samsung's best-selling Android flagship device. Earlier this year, the company officially unveiled the Galaxy S24 series at the Unpacked event in January. Now, we have uncovered some information that confirms that Samsung is indeed working on the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. We even saw the Galaxy S25 Ultra model number SMS938U in our IMEI database. The Galaxy S25 Ultra model number SMS938U was preceded by the Galaxy S24 Ultra model number SMS928U. The U in the model number indicates its representation in the American market. Currently, this is the only model number available to us. However, we do know that the Galaxy S25 Ultra won't be limited to the American market. It will be available in other regions as well. This suggests that Samsung is expanding its presence in the international market with its upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 series. Rumors are swirling around the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As reported by Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a quad-camera setup. But wait, there's more! Let's know the specifications and features of this phone. Let's talk about design and build quality first. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to boast an incredibly premium design with a titanium and glass finish, which will provide a luxurious feel in the hand. It will also come in different colors like black, silver, and exclusive green. According to Ice Universe, the S24 Ultra may have the same 6.8-inch display. Additionally, it will feature a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth gaming and video viewing experience. Now on to the performance. The phone will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 9 Plus Gen 1 chipset, which will deliver improved performance and efficiency. With 10 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage space, users will have plenty of room for data, photos, videos, and more. In terms of camera setup, the phone could have an improved rear camera setup with multiple 200-megapixel main camera sensor. It will be able to take amazing pictures with features like night mode, portrait mode, and 8K video recording. Also, there will be a 12-megapixel front camera for selfies. No need to worry about battery life. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery, similar to previous devices, ensuring long-lasting usage. The phone is powered by Exynos and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipsets, which will deliver improved performance and efficiency. It will feature Galaxy AI 2.0 with One UI 7 and Android 15, providing users with a more intuitive and personalized experience. Additionally, we can expect the Galaxy S25 Ultra phones to receive the same 7-year software support as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While the exact release date and price are unknown based on Samsung's previous release pattern, the announcement could come at a Galaxy Unpacked event in early 2025. These details are based on rumors and leaks, so they may change until Samsung's official announcement. But one thing is for sure, Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to be an exciting release. Thank you for tuning in and getting a sneak peek into the exciting possibilities of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Remember, while these rumors and leaks paint an intriguing picture, the final product might still hold some surprises. Be sure to stay connected with us for the latest updates and official announcements. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and reviews. See you in the next video.